What's the deal, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kendra. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me yet again. Y'all, today we is talking about them Amazon finds. Okay, I done found some Amazon stuff that I'm going to unpackage right now and put on a Jeep, because if you're looking for a gift idea, y'all, I love a practical gift. So if you need a gift idea or a way that you can slightly upgrade your cargo area so that you don't have to worry about anything happening to the stuff that you was hauling, because you know your girl's always hauling something and you're gonna want to make sure you stay tapped in. But let's see what they're working on at the shop before we get started, because y'all already see where I'm at. Car. What you working on, Rich? Oh, okay. So they getting Flow Series headlights here. The Daytona. Oh, this YouTubing on the budget. Or he in here getting some work. The Hell Kitty. I'm gonna round over there doing lights. Alright, let's see. Alright, y'all, Amazon that got me right. So we finna pop these bags open and see what we got. Let's see. What's this one? I love goodies, y'all. Cut myself. Under $20, y'all. So y'all know, grocery getter, I be hauling a whole bunch of stuff. I done bought me some cargo nets, y'all, because I am tired of having everything roll around in my truck. So this it didn't necessarily say it was gonna fit my Jeep, but I feel like it should. So we're gonna try it out, and I'll drop the link in the channel. First, I need to figure out how to do this, so I'm gonna tune back in with y'all 1 second. Y'all, Ash saw me struggling. No, I think this the envelope. This the envelope one. So I think it goes like on the bottom.
It goes like this.
Oh, yeah.
And then it clips down at the bottom. Yep.
Like this.
Bing.
Bing. There we go. Alright, so let's go inside. Look. I'm so excited that I don't know how to work the thing. Okay. So I think it's something like this. So y'all, we have these those right there. And it's nice, it got some stretch to it. So when I have the boxes in the back, the one thing I hate is when stuff rolls back here, I have to make sure that it's not on the edge so that it doesn't roll off and then scratch the back of the Jeep. So with this, I'm not gonna have to worry about that no more. And it's a nice stretchy fit. So that gives me some coverage on the back. Once I lay the seats down, everything good. So y'all, this was $20 at Amazon, on Amazon, or less than $20. It was probably like 15 or so. So I'm gonna drop the link in the video to this one, and y'all know your girl has to do a little bit of something else. So when I have my smaller packages, I got my second bag. So that one is like for the big stuff that roll around. This one's gonna be for stuff that I want to keep flat while I'm driving. And again, so this one's different in is gonna lay flat down in the cargo area. So this is gonna go flat down in the cargo area. So let me undo that one and then we're gonna put this one down. Y'all, super simple. Like I just literally take that off and then I'm gonna put this one on. This one hooks here, hooks down here, drop those. And then we also have hooks on the back. Oh y'all, that thing came out. We got hooks on the back. I'm gonna hook this too. So this one will hold down anything, you know, that you want to hold. Let me show y'all. Let me put something in there. So let's say I got this bag, for instance. I don't want it rolling all over the place. It got my car products in there. So I can just tuck it and it'll just keep that flat like that. And I'm not even gonna have to worry about it. So y'all, both of these were less than, or not together, but each were less than $20. So again, I would drop the link. Y'all already know I love my practical stuff, so that's why your girl had to go ahead and invest in this. It's a small thing, but it's gonna keep everything looking good. You already know I got my mat in here. Helps protect you know, the lining of the Jeep cargo area. But yeah, once I get to using it, I will let y'all know how I really like it. But so far, I think it's gonna work out. So y'all, it is really the small things that count. Y'all already know I done got my light, and I did my LED lights from Amazon. Y'all better make sure y'all go look at that video if you want to get them bright lights. I done got my new nets. I appreciate y'all tapping into this video. I just want to do something a little bit simple. Take it back. You ain't gotta have crazy upgrades to make your vehicle functional. Y'all, they got all this kind of stuff that we can do. So I'm just showing y'all a little bit about what's available. But I appreciate y'all tapping into this video. Until next time,